Are you looking for second-hand boilers for sale? At O'Brien, we have an ever-changing list of remanufactured stock boilers. We keep reused boilers thoroughly inspected prior to them being deemed as suitable for remanufacturing. Our current contracts and connections within the industry ensure we have access to a vast range of pre-owned boilers for those wishing to purchase a used boiler. Stocking such brands as Cleaver Brooks, Clayton, Maxitherm, and Alfarrell to name a few, we have a solution to suit most applications. Our skilled tradespersons ensure every component of our remanufactured boilers is disassembled, tested, repaired, or replaced as necessary. Our remanufactured boilers enable clients to make a cost-effective purchase without sacrificing quality. Contact O'Brien Boiler Services Proprietary Limited. Visit https://obrienenergy.com.au to learn more.